Hello everyone, firstly welcome to my channel. Secondly, if you are new here, please do come on in and subscribe and like today's video. If you have already subscribed and you are returning for another video, welcome back. I very much appreciate you. So, where the devil in the world are we? Well, I think you've already guessed by the title below. We are back in New York. Now, my last vlog that I uploaded for New York, rather, got so many views on it. Now, to some people, 100 odd views that it's at the moment is nothing, but to me it really means the world considering how small my channel is. So firstly, thank you so much for all the love for that. As I said, we are back in New York, so ran about 36 hours in New York this time. Obviously last time I did a lot of stuff, I covered a lot of things, so I'm going to try and get footage that is a little bit different to what you've seen before. There might be a few things that you've already seen, just because obviously New York is so compact, it's very hard not to film things that you haven't already seen, if that makes sense. At the moment, it is the evening time here. It is 5:40 in the evening. We arrived at... What time did we arrive? 11:30. And I've been out since about 12:30ish, I think it was, just exploring. Went to Central Park, got caught in a massive thunderstorm, the worst rain I've ever experienced in my life. Safe to say I didn't get my phone out and film that because it got wet enough just being in my pocket. So yeah, I hope you like today's video. If you do, as I said, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already. It really means the world to me and will really help my channel out. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and from what footage I managed to get for you, yeah, take care and I'll see you soon. Also, side note, okay, let's address the elephant in the room, quickly before I get on with today's video. The reason that I cannot find my words and the reason that I look like I do is because it was a very early start for me this morning. I reported at London Heathrow at 6:40 in the morning, so therefore was up at 4:45 and didn't sleep very well in the hotel the night before, because you know that whole feeling of when you know you need to get up early for something in the morning, your body just doesn't switch off. I've also, since arriving in New York, done 25,000 steps, and yes, my body right now is very much absolutely knackered. As I said, it's now 5:44 p.m. in the evening. In the UK, it is coming up to 11:15 in the evening. So my body right now is saying, go to sleep. But I know that I can't, because otherwise I'll be awake at 4 a.m. here. So yeah, double-edged sword, trying to keep myself awake, but in turn, look like this and sound like this. So apologies for that. But as I said, I do hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you very soon.
number 50.